Today we will study about the division algorithm of polynomials, like if px or you take fx and gx are any two polynomials, then we can find qx and rx where gx is not 0, that is fx equals to gx into qx plus rx, where qx is the quotient, rx is the remainder. Okay, now look, suppose we have a question here, divide the polynomial, divide the polynomial fx equals to 6x cube plus 10x square, 10x square minus 13x plus 1, and divide the polynomial this by gx equals to 3x minus 1. Find the quotient and remainder. Okay, look at the question here. So let me write this again here. 6x cube 10x square minus 13x plus 1. You have to divide with 3x minus 1. See the method. To get the first term, what you have to do is to divide 6x cube by 3x. फर्स्ट टर्म को फर्स्ट टर्म में डिवाइड करो, 3 2 x cancelled square means you put 2x square. So here I put 2x square. This 2x square I will multiply to 3x, 6x cube. Then 2x square multiplied to minus 1, minus 2x square. Now I have to subtract. If you subtract here, then this will be minus, this will be plus. So this is cancelled. Now 10x square plus 2x square. This minus is gone now. 10x square plus 2x square is 12x square. Then these two comes down, minus 13x plus 1. Again to get the term, divide first term by first term. Means 12x square to divide by 3x. So 3 4 then x cancelled. That is 4x. 4x means plus 4x you put here. So plus 4x multiplied to 3x, 12x square, 4x minus 1 minus 4x. Now subtract. This will be minus. If you subtract, sign changes. Plus will be minus, minus will be plus. So this is cancelled. Now minus 13 plus 4. Opposite sign subtract. Minus 13 plus 4 is minus 9x plus 1. This 1 comes down. Again divide first term by first term. Means you are dividing minus 9x, you are dividing by 3x. X cancelled, 3 3s are. So that is minus 3. This minus 3 I have to put here. So minus 3 into 3x minus 9x minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Now you subtract. So this will be plus, this will be minus. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So quotient, which one is quotient? This one. That is 2x square plus 4x minus 3. Remainder is minus 2. Okay, let's have one more question like this. So again you write so I'll write here. Now use division algorithm to find. Let me write the question here. Use division algorithm to find qx and rx. Okay, where fx equals to 80x fourth minus 12x cube minus 2x square plus 15x minus 4. X minus 4 divided by what? Gx equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Okay, let me write down this. Same procedure. 8x fourth minus 12x cube minus 12x square plus 15x minus 4. You are dividing by which term? 2x square. 2x square minus 3x plus 1. I hope this is visible. 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Okay, let's divide. The technique you see here. To get the first term, divide the first term by first term. So 8x fourth divided by 2x square. 2 4s x square cancelled here. Means 4x square. 4x square. So I have to put here 4x square. Now look, 4x square, 2x square, 8x fourth, 4x square minus 3x. plus minus minus 12x cube. Again 4x square plus 1 plus 4x square. Now I have to subtract. When I subtract, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. This is cancelled. Same term, opposite sign. Same term, opposite sign. Again cancelled. What's left out? Minus 12 minus 4. Minus 16x square plus 15x minus 4. Okay. Again you check. First term divide with first term. Minus 16x square you are dividing with 2x square. X square cancel, 2 8 means minus 8. I have put here minus 8. So minus 8 into 2x square, that is minus 16x square. Then minus 8 minus 3x plus 24x minus 8 plus 1 minus 8. Now subtract. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus. This is cancelled. Minus 24 plus minus 24 plus 15 minus 9x. 8 minus 4 is plus 4. Look at what is the degree here. If the degree of Rx is 1, degree of quotient is 2. Degree of Rx smaller than degree of your divisor. Then no more division is possible. So this is our quotient, this is our remainder. So we have to stop division here because this degree is smaller than this degree. So Qx is 4x square minus 8. Rx equals to minus 9x plus 4. Okay, this is one question. See again. See another question here. If I take one more, use division algorithm. Question. Use division algorithm. Use division algorithm to find Qx and remainder Rx. To find, you have to understand Qx means quotient and Rx means remainder. You have to keep in the mind. Where fx is divided by fx equals to 8x cube minus 38x square minus 38x square plus 36x plus 5 is divided by what is that now? 4x minus 3 dx, which is 4x minus 3. Same procedure I am repeating so that you should be clear about the signs, whether will be positive or negative, which places. Look at here. 8x cube 38x square plus 36x plus 5. You are dividing with 4x minus 3. Okay, the same technique I told you. Divide the first term by first term. 8x cube, you divide it 4x. 2 here is 2, means 2x square. So I put here 2x square. 2x square into 4x, 8x cube. 2x square into minus 3. So minus 6x square. Now subtract. When you subtract, sign will change. Plus. Plus will be minus. Minus will be plus. So plus 8x cube minus is cancelled. Now minus 38 minus 6. 38 minus 6 minus 32x square plus 36x plus 5. Same rule, divide the first term with this first term. Minus 32x square divided by 4x. 4 8 is 1x cancel. So minus 8x. That means this minus 8x I have to put here. Now multiply minus 8x into 4x minus 32x square minus 8x minus 3 plus 24x. Okay, now subtract. When you subtract, the sign changes. This is plus, this is minus. This gets cancelled. 36 minus 24. 12 x plus 5. Divide the first term by first term. Till now the degree is same. Here degree is 1, degree is 1 means you can divide once more. So 12x divided by 4x. X cancelled. 3. So plus 3 I have to put. 3 4 12x. 3 minus 3 minus 9. This is cancelled. 9 plus 5 is 14. So quotient is 2x square minus 8x plus 3. Rx means remainder equals to 14. Okay, this is one pattern of question. See the second type. Now there will be a question. The question will be, if x minus 3 is a factor of, or find the value of k so that x plus 1 is a factor of this. Important. Find the value of k so that x plus 1 is a factor of what? K square x square minus 2kx, k square x square minus 2kx minus 3. Achha, listen now. If this is factor, that means when you divide this, the value becomes, remainder becomes 0. Now listen. X plus 1 is a factor. This implies x plus 1 equals to 0, x का value minus 1. Also, if this is a factor, k square x square minus 2kx minus 3 will be 0. because when you put this value should be 0, then only it will be a factor. So this implies k square minus 1 square minus 2k into minus 1 plus 3 equals to 0. What do you get? Minus 1 plus square is 1, k square into 1, minus into minus is plus 2k, x 2k only, then plus 3. Sorry, minus 3 here. So, product splitting middle term, product is 1 into minus 3. Sum equals to 2, because this is a quadratic polynomial of k. Now, find the factor of 3. Factor of 3 is 3 1 the 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So we'll write here k square plus 3k minus k minus 3 equals to 0. Implies k square plus 3k minus k minus 3 equals to 0. Then you will get k common, k plus 3, minus 1 common, k plus 3 equals to 0. Implies k plus 3, k minus 1 equals to 0. Implies k plus 3 equals to 0, k minus 1 equals to 0. K equals to minus 3, k equals to 1. Okay, this is one type of question. Say another one. Determine the value of m determine the value of m so that x minus 5 so that x minus 5 is a factor of x minus 5 is a factor of what? The factor of fx equals to fx equals to 3x cube minus 16x square, 3x cube minus 16x square, then plus mx plus 50. Now listen, x minus 5 is a factor. Put here x minus 5 as 0, you get x equal to 5. That means when I put x equal to 5 in this value also should be equal to 0. So implies fx is 0. Fx is 0 means I'll put here 3 into 5 cube, 16 into 5 square, plus m into 5 plus 50 equals to 0. Let's solve here. 5q is 125. 3 into 125. 16 into 25 plus 5m plus 50 equals to 0. This is 375. This is 400 plus 5m plus 50 equals to 0. This is minus 25 plus 5m plus 50 equals to 0. Again lighter means these two are lighter. 5m plus 25 equals to 0. 5m equals to minus 25. M equals to minus 25 by 5. Implies M equals to minus 5. Okay. So this is one pattern of question. Tomorrow we will study a new pattern.